Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an recruitment update from the NHPC Miniratna company. They are going to recruit for the trainee engineer, civil, electrical and mechanical through GATE 2022. So they are going to recruit through the GATE 2022. Let's see the number of posts, number of vacancies and how to apply. So let's see the details here. A trainee engineer civil with the E2 grade, the pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. The minimum requirement is a candidate must have a BE or BTech degree, and the total number of posts are 136. The age limit is 30 years. When we talk about the trainee engineer electrical, the pay scale and the grade will be same. Essential qualification is BE BTech degree in electrical, and it is 30 years. Age limit is maximum age limit is 30 years for each and every post here among these three posts, and the number of vacancies are 41. When we talk about the mechanical trainee engineer, mechanical pay grade and the pay scale will be same. The essential qualification is BE BTech degree with minimum 60% marks, and here total number of vacancies are 108 in mechanical. They are recruiting for the trainee officer, French trainee officer, HR and trainee officer law also. So the criteria is different. You can go through this details also. Let's talk about the selection process. For trainee engineer civil, trainee engineer electrical and mechanical, a candidate will be shortlisted directly based on the GATE 2022 valid GATE scorecard. Okay, so and they will be provisionally selected and extended offer of appointment on provisional basis. So you can go through the details. If a student from the civil, then he must have valid GATE scorecard and the GATE paper with this code. So it is written here. Let's talk about the how to apply and what is the fee structure for the application. So here we are having how to apply. You can go through the website which is written here, nhpcindia.com career. Okay, and the candidates who have appeared in the GATE 22 and having a valid score with GATE registration number can apply here. Other than this, they are having the non-refundable fee for the application, which is 295 rupees, which is for general EWS and OBC category. And the date of opening for this online portal will be 5th January 2023. The closing date will be 25th January 2023. You can go through the details from the NHPC official website and you can apply accordingly. Okay guys, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.